Hello everybody and welcome back to another Apex Legends video. In this video, I decided to buy the new Apex pack bundles in hopes of getting an heirloom. If you do enjoy the video at any moment, please press that subscribe button down below and check out my other Apex Legends videos. What am I doing with my life? Why am I doing this? 95 Apex packs!
It's nice to look at it.
No!
Oh man, I mean,
Mate, this is going to take ages.
it takes quite a lot of time.
Oh, it's an epic. Oh. It's an epic Revenant skin. Yeah, I've already got a gold one. There's going to be something big in this. Okay, no there isn't. it took, oh, to be fair, that's a cool banner pose.
That's quite a nice one. What's the one you got? I can't remember your one.
Oh, the one where he pulls up Pathfinder and kills him. I better get a heirloom. Heirloom? Heirloom. I keep saying heirloom. It's because of the video I made. Well, that's quite a nice skin.
It'd be funny, right? If you got absolutely no legendaries. I'm pretty sure you have to. The way the packs work, you have to get like a legendary in a certain amount of packs.
Oh, I hope so. Considering I just spent 43 quid on them.
But the thing is, the way you gotta look at it, even if you don't get an heirloom, you're so much closer to getting an heirloom. Then fuck it.
I guess. Yep.
You decided, man. Oh my god, you got an epic! Oh, so epic.
That is epic. What is it? Oh, it's a weapon charm. Great.
I don't remember what they're a thing. I don't know if I've ever equipped a weapon charm.
Oh, we got an epic. I got legendary.
You got an epic! It's
Mozambique!
Oh, you've been trolled. The game has trolled you with the worst gun. I mean, at least you'll never need to get another skin for that gun again, man.
Oh, I got an epic there.
Well, you could just redub it. But...
Oh, I got a legendary and an epic.
Oh my god, that's so epic.
Oh, I've already got a legendary skin for him.
But what's the one you got? I think that's better on there. 2.
Got another epic. To be fair, that's quite a nice skin.
Yeah, that's a good one. What are you looking for? What do you hope to get for a legendary?
Heirloom.
Gun skins?
An heirloom?
Yeah, but that's not a legendary.
Oh, alright, okay.
That's the red shirt.
Yeah, other gun skins for ones I don't have. I've got another legendary.
Oh, nice.
Is that for crypto?
Skin.
Yeah.
That's a pretty sick skin.
That's quite cool. But I've only opened 30 packs. Only.
Yeah, only.
Got an epic.
You got an epic, guys? It's gonna be epic. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be epic.
Oh, fucking hell.
What was that? Oh, massive. Have you got the one from the treasure chest yet?
I have no idea. I've got Tombstone. It's legendary.
No, I don't know which one it is.
Oh, I've got legendary.
Oh god, what's it gonna be?
That's quite a nice skin, actually.
In fact, you're getting all the skins, which is good. Like that's what you want.
Yeah.
You only get all the character skins. At least you have people to like play as if you change.
I've got 7 new emails. It's probably fucking PayPal telling me to stop spending all my money.
Sorry mate, the regret sinks in about midnight and then you eventually just realise, fuck it.
Got another legendary.
Did you?
To be fair, that's quite a nice Prowler skin.
Yeah, I like that one. That was one I wanted to get and I just didn't.
It's quite beautiful.
I hate the one I got because it just confuses me because it's got like 2 little bits in the way.
Oh, another legendary.
Oh, another legendary. You're stuck up on legendaries, I'll tell you that. Oh, dude, you're so lucky, man.
Oh wait, that's pretty decent.
Dude, you've done well out of this pack open. Like, you've made your money's worth in terms of legendaries. Because they're worth quite a lot, those skins.
Yeah, I've got 4 legendary skins out of it so far. As in, like, champion ones.
Actual skins, yeah. Well, at least you've got a skin for every character almost at this point.
Yeah.
That's probably my favourite Octane. That or the greeny orangey one. Oh my god, dude, you got an heirloom. See, one of these days when I say that, you'll get one. You're gonna be happy.
I've got legendary.
Come on, give us a skin. Come on, just a race skin.
Oh, I got a no, I haven't got legendary. Cool.
To be fair, that's a decent. I haven't got a legendary art now. I was considering getting one, but I want it as a bit broke.
Yeah, I don't really use it.
It's like a starting gun, and then you kind of just move on to the R9. I have one more legendary I can craft, but I don't know what to get. So I like my
Oh, I
scouts.
got 2 epics in this one.
That's double epic. Come on, give us the Heirloom. Yeah, but you're now 100 packs closer. I think about how long that would have taken to get those 100 packs.
I guess. Oh, cool.
That's a weird Pathfinder one, isn't it?
Yeah, I was really confused about it then. I just thought it wasn't loading. Got another legendary.
Like, a legendary. It's gonna be a race game. Ooh,
That's
to be
quite
fair,
nice.
That's quite nice.
That is cool.
Dude, you're getting all this. Whenever I get legendaries, there's always like crafting metals or charms. I got a legendary charm. You know how underwhelming that was? I was like,
I got 3
taking a
charms for 3 charms now.
that's very charming.
Okay. Heirloom each one.
Heirloom, free Heirloom.
Heirloom. Oh, there's another
Ooh,
legendary.
got legendary. Bro, you're farming legendary, so to be fair.
Oi, that's quite nice. Nah, I've already got a legendary though.
Just put it on rotation, man. Put it on rotation. I like it. I like it.
Last pack.
I do
Give
like
it
your
drum roll.
Revenant, to be fair. It looks quite nice. Well, you could actually probably get like one more, I think, because you have 100 coins left over.
None.
Go back.
Oh yeah, I can buy one.
Yeah, you can get one more. Yeah.
One
Right,
more.
this is the one. This is the
Oh,
Heirloom.
this is the one.
Could you imagine? Get it from one pack after
is
the
it.
the
This is
100
it.
pack opener. No way, dude. No way.
Oh my god! Heirloom!
With a good editor, man. That's an Heirloom right there. But now this comes a bit where you have to sit there for like half an hour choosing your skin.